Hi guys, today we are talking about the Honor Smartwatch GS Pro and I want to say thank you very much Honor for letting us have this little toy to play with. Okay, let's unbox it and have a look. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Oh, looks quite nice, nicely packaged. What's in here? Looks like we've got the charger, USB Type-C, is that? This is the charging portal, it fits on the back of the watch. We also have the manual in here and the warranty card, I think. There's the warranty card that comes with it. Let's get this out. There we go. Let's try putting this on. Okay. So first impressions are it does feel very robust. It's quite large. I did worry that it was going to dig into my hand, but actually it can be uncomfortable, but it's not too uncomfortable. The watch itself feels very robust, very stable, and apparently, well, I checked on the website actually, it does comply with 14 different military standards, and it can deal with low pressure, so mountain climbing is fine, with high and low temperatures, temperature changes in humidity. It's protected against any contamination of fluids. If we look at the back, you can see the loudspeaker just here. If we look at the other side, we can see there's a small dot. This is the mic, so it makes it possible to have fairly clear sound when doing a phone call. On the back here, we see we've got some sensors. This is for measuring your heart rate, oxygen saturation, your sleep, and also your stress levels. Very handy. Next to it, you've got the two magnetic ports. Now this helps to just connect to the charger, and it magnetically lines up. It's quite easy to use. Also the strap, it's quite strong. Yeah, so no problems with the strap there. Well, those are the specifications of the watch, but let's have a look at the features. Right, so it does have the handy flick watch to view function, which is very handy. And then we can see here, if we hold this down, we can actually customize what watch we want. If you see one that has like a little settings option, like this one here, you can then customize it even more. This one here, I can click on here. Yeah, and you can pick a different widget. So for this one, I think I'll have the battery. So here, I got two batteries, but you get the idea. And we can flick this along, and it's set. That's it. As you can see, the display is actually quite bright. It has a 1.39 inches AMOLED round screen, and the resolution is 454 by 454 at 326 ppi. So that's high enough not to see any pixels unless you look really close. As you can see, the frame rate is not running at 60 frames per second, probably because of the low power CPU that this watch is using, but it's not too bad. You can see there. If we go back to the main screen again, we can see if we swipe up, we can see notifications, messages from WeChat, or from Facebook or any other app that you're connected to. So let's go back to the main screen. If we push the top button here, we can have a look at all the different features. So we have a workout feature, workout records, workout status, heart rate, oxygen saturation there, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing exercises. There's so many different features on the watch. Again, there's lots of ways of changing the settings. If we push this button here, you can see click on settings there. We've got the settings for the earbuds, the display, different sounds, strength, what buttons do which. workout settings, the system settings there. You know, so if you need to change anything, it's all there. We have the 2 buttons here. Now, this down button is customizable. So if we go into our settings, we can go to the down button. At the moment, I've got it set for workout because that's what I want to use it for. So click back on there, let's come out of there. Now, if I push the down button, it comes up with the workout modes. Here we've got lots of different things that I use. Running courses, outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk. Loads of different things on there. Swimming, mountain biking, hiking, skiing. It's like so many different things on here. Rower. And you can even add more, which is great. Okay, so pros and cons for the watch. Well, the pros are it can withstand damage. It has loads of features on there, and the battery life is incredible. 25 days, I think that's really good. Okay, if we look at some of the cons, it is a bit bulky. I think the design could be a bit sleeker. It's not too bad though in terms of comfortability. Also, it's not the cheapest product on the market, but if you have got the money, the budget for something like this, then I don't think it's a bad buy at all, because at least it will do everything that you want it to do. Okay, so this is the end of the review. I hope that you've taken something from this and it's helped you to make a decision about buying the watch or an interest in the watch. And if you liked this video, press the like and subscribe button. And I would say thank you to Honor for giving us the watch to play with. Thanks to Kevin for filming. And that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.